Hey little yogis, we're so happy you're here with us. If you enjoy moving and breathing together, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today we'll move our bodies, take calm breaths, and enjoy gentle yoga poses to help us feel happy and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a slow deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start. Stand tall like a mountain and take a fresh morning breath. Reach your arms up high and wake up your whole body. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Stretch to the side and feel space in your body. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Fold forward gently and let your head feel light. Lift halfway and make your back long and strong. Bend your knees and feel your legs getting warm. Open wide like a big bright morning star. Lower down softly and wake up your hips. Stand tall and stretch up toward the sky. Balance like a tree and stay strong and steady. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Come down to hands and knees and feel stable. Stretch your arms forward and feel your spine wake up. Lift your hips and stretch your whole body. Lift your chest and open your heart gently. Take a short rest and breathe calmly. Sit tall and feel awake and ready. Amazing work, yoga friends. You did a wonderful job moving, stretching, and breathing today. If you enjoyed our yoga time together, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. You can share this video with your friends and invite them to join us next time. Now take one big deep breath in and a slow, gentle breath out. Smile, relax, and feel proud of yourself. See you again very soon. Bye-bye, yoga friends.